My dear students, in this video I am going to solve some integration problems using the method of partial fractions. The method of partial fractions have been studied in algebra in our previous course. In algebra, the method of partial fractions you have studied, how to split a factor into partial fractions. That principle is applied in the topic integration. By the method of partial fractions, we have to integrate the given problem. Example, evaluate the integral 3x plus 7 by x square minus 3x plus 2 into dx. Evaluate integral 3x plus 7 by x square minus 3x plus 2 dx. This is our problem. Evaluate this integral. By the method of partial fraction, we have to integrate this problem. See, the denominator equation, algebraic equation x square minus 3x plus 2 is to be factorized by the factorization method. We have to factorize this algebraic expression, quadratic expression by x minus 1 into x minus 2. X minus 1 into x minus 2 is x square, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3x, minus into minus plus 1 into 2. So we split this algebraic expression, quadratic expression into a factors, two factors. Therefore, this problem now reduces to integral 3x plus 7 by the denominator expression is expressed as x minus 1 into x minus 2. The quadratic factor can be split into two factors, and after that, by the method of partial fractions, you consider the integrand. The integrand, what is it? 3x plus 7 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. The integrand should be split into the method of partial fraction like that: a by x minus 1, a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. You split using this method. We split this denominator factor into a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 2, and you equate the numerator by multiplying the denominator of left hand side to the right hand side. You will get 3x plus 7 equal to a into, if you bring it to the right hand side, this denominator factor cancelling x minus 1, you will get a into x minus 2 plus b into, after multiplying this with this term, x minus 2 is cancelling both sides, you will get x minus 1. This is the method of partial fraction you have studied already. A into x minus 1 cancel, you will get x minus 2 plus b into x minus 2 cancel, you will get only x minus 1. If you multiply this with each term, here x minus 1 cancel, you will get a into x minus 2. If you multiply here x minus 1 to x minus 2 cancel, you will get b into x minus 2. So using this expression, we will have to find out the values of a and b. The unknowns a and b can be determined by giving suitable values of x and x. First you substitute x equal to 1, b becomes 0, you will get the value of a. If you substitute x equal to 1, 3 into 1 plus 7, 3 into 1, x equal to 1, 3 into 1 plus 7 equal to a into x is 1 minus 2 plus b, 1 minus 1 is 0, therefore b into 0 is 0, therefore you will get 1 minus 2 is minus a equal to 3 plus 7, 10, therefore a equal to minus 10. So this is the value of a equal to minus 10. Similarly, by giving the substitution for x equal to 2, a becomes 0 and you will get the value of b. Substitute x equal to 2 on both sides, you will get 3 into 2 plus 7. 3 into 2 plus 7 equal to x equal to 2, 3 into 2 plus 7 equal to a into 0. Therefore, 2 minus 2 is 0 plus b into a is 0 plus b into x is 2, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 into b, b. 2 minus 1, 1, 1 into b, b. So 3 rules are 6 plus 7, 13. So b equal to 13, a equal to minus 10. So now you substitute these values of a and b here. Therefore the integration becomes this integral I. You consider the problem as I. I is the integration problem. I equal to this integration, this dx is here. I equal to integral a. A is minus 10 by x minus 1. A equal to minus 10 by x minus 1. A equal to minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus plus 2, right, okay. If you put x equal to 1, 0, 1 minus 2 is minus 2. So minus 10, a equal to minus 10 by x minus 1 plus b. B is 13. 13 by x minus 2 dx. So a equal to minus 10 by x minus 1 plus b 13 by x minus 2. So by split this into two integrals, you will get minus 10 into integral 1 by x minus 1 dx plus if you take 13 outside 1 by x minus 2 dx. You know integral 1 by x minus 1 is log x minus 1 minus 10 into log x minus 1 plus 13 into integral 1 by x minus 2 is log x minus 2 plus c. So that's all about the problem. Minus 10 times of log of x minus 1, integral 1 by x minus 1 is log x minus 1 plus 13 into 1 by x minus 2 integration is log of x minus 2 plus c. Okay, that's all about this problem using this method of partial fraction. Okay. Next problem. Evaluate the integral 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Here in the denominator you have three factors. Therefore, we have decomposed this integral into three partial fractions. That is 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 can be split into a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. You have to split like this: a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. The three factors can be split into three terms. By the principle of LCM, you bring these entire terms, denominator terms on the right hand side and multiply in the numerator. You will get dx minus 1 equal to, if you bring it to the first term, x minus 1 cancel, you will get a into x minus 2 into x minus 3. This is the method of partial fraction, you know. And if you bring the term to the second term, x minus 2 x into numerator, x minus 2 denominator, x minus 2 cancel, you will get b into x minus 1 into x minus 3. b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into, you bring this term to the third term, the denominator, if you bring it to the right hand side, c into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. X minus 3 cancel both the numerator and denominator. The term x minus 3 cancel on both sides. You will get c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. C into x minus 1. This is the method of partial fraction, you know. By the principle of LCM, a by x minus 1 cancel on both sides. You will get x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b by x minus 2 cancel on both sides. You will get b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c, x minus 3 is cancelled on both sides. You will get c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Sorry. So from this equation, we have to find out the unknowns a, b and c by giving suitable substitutions for x. First, if you put x equal to 1, b x minus, if you put x equal to 1, b term b is 0 and term c is 0. If you put x equal to 1, 1 minus 1 0, the term becomes 0. If you put x equal to 1 here, 1 minus 1 0, the entire term becomes 0. 1 minus 2 minus 1 even, minus 1 into 0 is 0. So substituting x equal to 1, you will get 3 into 1, x equal to 1 minus 1 equal to a into 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 3, x is 1, 1 minus 3, plus b into 1 minus 1, 0, the entire term is 0, c into 1 minus 1, 0, the entire term is 0. Therefore, 3 into 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 equal to a into 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So minus 1 to minus plus 2, 2 equal to 2a implies a equal to 1. From this a equal to 1. Okay? Similarly, substituting x equal to 2, if you put x equal to 2, a, the term a, 2 minus 2, 0, a becomes 0 and 2 minus 2, the term c is 0, you will get only b value. So if you put x equal to 2, 3 into 2 minus 1 equal to 3 into 2 minus 1, x equal to 2. Giving substitution for x equal to 2, 2 minus 2, 0, a into 0, 0, plus b into, if you put x equal to 2, 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 3, plus 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 into c is 0. So you get 3 to the 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 equal to b into 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 3 minus 1. C is 0. So minus 1 into 1 minus b. B equal to minus b equal to 5. This implies b equal to minus 5. B equal to minus 5. Similarly, to get the value of c, substitute x equal to 3. Here, third, if you put x equal to 3, 3 into 3 minus 1 equal to 3 into 3, in this expression, if you put x equal to 3, 3 into 3, 3 minus 1 equal to a into 0. First term 0, b into 3 minus 3, 0. So you get only term c, c into 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2. So 9 minus 1, 3 3s are 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 equal to 3 minus 2. See, 3 minus 1 is 2 and 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 2, 2. 2c equal to 8. This implies c equal to 8 by 2, 4. Okay? 2c equal to 8. From this c equal to 4. So we have determined the value of a, b and c. After substituting the value of a, b and c here, you will get the problem. We will continue. Okay? Okay? Now the problem is integral 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into dx equal to integral a into a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3 into dx. That's all about the problem. So this problem is, by the method of partial fraction, it is split into 3 terms. By giving the values of a, b and c, we can split this into 3 integrals. What is a? A is 1. Integral 1 by x minus 1 dx. B is minus 5, therefore you get minus 5 outside. Integral 1 by x minus 2 dx. Because b is minus 5. Minus 5 taken out of the integral and you will get 1 by x minus 2 dx. C is 4. So plus c, 4 can be taken out by the integral, you will get 1 by x minus 3 into dx. 4 by x minus 3, 4 can be taken out. Minus 5 by x minus 2, minus 5 can be taken out of the integral because those are constants. So these 3 terms becomes three integrals after giving the values of a, b and c. Now, you know integral 1 by x is log x. Therefore, this is log x minus 1 minus 5 into 1 by integral 1 by x minus 3 is log x minus 2 plus 4 times of 1 by x minus 3 integral of 1 by x minus 3 is log of x minus 3 plus c. So that's all about the problem. So after finding the values of a, b and c, we split into partial fractions and we can easily integrate by term. Integral 1 by x, you know, log x. Therefore, this is log of x minus 1 minus 5 into log of x minus 2 plus 4 into integral 1 by x minus 3 is log of x minus 3 plus the integrating constant c. For all this integral, you can have only one constant. Enough. Therefore, the problem is over. That's all about the problem, and we will see the next type in our next video. Thank you.